Hey guys, this is the Fox Project here, and we are back with some more HTML. So we last left off with our tables and some CSS. Alright, that sounds like it's a lot of fun. Well, nobody's gonna. Let's run our website. Watch. Here we go. Nobody's gonna stay on the site. Everyone's gonna be like, "Where's this about and the contact?" Well, yeah. Where is that? We are gonna. Well, if you're in Notepad, let's actually quickly download Notepad. Because a lot of you guys, I'm sure, are using this, and I feel bad. Not everyone has Visual Studio. Notepad is free, so that's why you should just get it. You could use brackets. You could use that. I suggest Notepad because it's the most efficient. Well, actually, we don't. I'll do another episode on how to set stuff up. It's really simple. You just make a new file, save it as a .html. But we're gonna be making a new. Oh no! What happened? What happened? Add. Oh god. Oh wait. We have to stop debugging this. Add a new item. Let's add a new HTML page. Yeah. Let's go about.html. Awesome. And Visual Studio, it gives you Visual Studio. It gives you nice pre-made stuff. So that's useful. Title about page. We also want to include our link rel equals style sheet type equals text /CSS href, so we're gonna get it from Jesnian.css. This is why having a CSS file is really useful, because we can call our CSS from any other class as long as we let everyone know that we are getting it from that class. And our body tag, let's body ID. Oh, let's do this. Center dot, no, not dot, center, no, be center. Yeah, whoa, calm down. Text align center. Alright, now let's go to our about. We can do this ID equals, I don't think we can do that in our body, can we? ID equals, no, we cannot. Alright. Oh, wait, here. ID equals B center. Alright, so now let's type in a bunch of that. No, why doesn't it do that? ID B center. Oh, it can only be in a text element, I think. So let's add h1 ID equals B center test. Text alignment. Right. See if it's this or not. Hold on. Body. I don't think we're calling it properly then. Yeah, because our background image isn't loading. Link rel style sheet text. Jesnia. Oh, I guess it is case sensitive then. Yeah, I think that's why then. Oh, okay. Alright. And Jesnia center. Alright, so let's do that. I'm in our about page. We don't need this. Let's call it in our body tag ID equals B center test, and it should be centered. Yeah, perfect. So let's add yeah, so this is our next page. So let's type in No, H1's kind of too big for me. H2. This is the about page. Awesome. This is the about page. Everyone's gonna be jealous. Let's underline this. We haven't used those tags in a while. There we go. It's underlined. Amazing. Let's go into here and let's make a separate center. Let's make a separate thing where we can have our link. ahref equals about.html. And let's do about. So, when the... Whoops. My website. Here we go. When the user... see, this is part of our CSS, so let's actually get rid of that. Blue. Light blue. Let's make it a separate color, like a dark blue. That's nice. Alright, so when we click this, it will bring us to the about page. So let's say the alright, zoom in a bit. This is the about, and look over here. If we see on the bottom left right there, watch that. See, it says that the link leads to the about.html. Let's click that, and over here it says this is the about page. Basically, we set the link. We're normally used to, so far at least, we are used to having this as a link. That's how we set it as a link, is if we go like that, the http:// and then whatever the URL is. However, if we want to call this, let's say for example, we have a different folder, new virtual directory, test. You must specify. Are you serious? You must specify. You must specify a folder path for the virtual directory. Oh my god. My websites. Website 2. Folder. Test. Select folder. Okay. So now we have... Oh, wait, never mind. New... Whatever. I think we have to make a new... Well, we have to go into our... Here, website 2. Test. Oh, never mind. Test. Let's drag our... Let's make a new item. So we can just... Stop debugging it. Add a... Let's say... HTML. Let's make this a test.html. We have test here. We can add, you know, some blah. That would be kind of boring, but what we can do is, if we want to link it not to the about page, but let's say into test, test HTML. What we do is alright, so from wherever this is, it's going to look within the folder. So we don't have to specify, we don't have to give it this long directory. We can just do it from wherever the file is located, and then it will look in the surroundings. So the test is right, this corresponds to that. So this test is over here. So it's saying, alright, look for the test folder, open that, and look for test.html. This is named test.html, so it's obviously going to open that. Click here. And if we click there, it should say blah. Yeah, so that's how you can link websites. That's how you can link, it's really useful to making navigation bars. How much time do we have now? Whoops. 9 minutes. Alright, let's go over lists again. Yeah, I feel like I didn't go over that at all. I sucked with that. Alright, so there's two kinds of lists, unordered and ordered lists. Ordered lists, data entry 1. Let's make a bunch of these. Entry 3, data entry 2. OL stands for ordered list. We should get two kinds of lists. Alright, this is the unordered list. It gives us this bullet point. Ordered list gives us the numbers. This is useful when you're, let's say, displaying stuff. So, we can go to our CSS, because, you know, CSS is awesome. Ordered list, all list, style 1. That's long, but, you know, doesn't matter. Text, align right automatically. Let's just do that. Color, dark red. Font, family, Comic Sans. I want to let you know that if you do not have the font, oh yeah, of course it doesn't show. If you do not have the font installed on your computer, it will not display. It will probably just go back to the original Times New Roman. I think that's the font they use. But over here, we have options. We can set it so that it will find one of them. It will find one of the fonts, one of the three fonts that it gives you. So let's say, for example, actually no, we can, yeah. So let's say, for example, we can do funny font and Comic Sans. Now let's call this in our OL. ID equals OL style. See how it finds Comic Sans? Because, you know, obviously it's looking at us like, what's funny font? I don't know that. Arial. It will go to Arial, because whatever comes first, it will try to find first. So, like, let's go to funny font. You know, there's no such thing as funny font, at least in our computer. I don't have funny font anywhere. Funny font, nothing. But we do have Comic Sans. So it's gonna say, all right. So let's just, you know, let's just use Comic Sans because it's hip. Now let's type something. Oh wait. If you didn't notice, our text is all the way over here, and the list is over here. This is kind of stupid. Just keep it at the left. You know, that's better. It's not putting the it's not putting this bullet or these lines over here to the right because it's saying text align. This is not really part. This is just the part of the tag, not the text. So let's put this to the left again. Ah, can't type. No. And I'm kind of bummed out because spring break is almost over and I have to go to school tomorrow. And then we have the state test and all that kind of crap. But you know, who cares? I think that's gonna be it for our tutorial. Oh, we also have other things that we can get from over here. This is the W3 schools. So over here it says alright, so see over here how it says style? That's kind of a weird and kind of inefficient way, or actually kind of it is convenient sometimes when you quickly need to change the style. You don't want to add a ID or a class to it in your CSS folder, but highly recommend doing that if it's going to be a big deal. But if if it's going to be like one line of text, just use the style tag or style. Just indicate that you're using style. If you just try typing this in, nothing's going to happen. But let's add this to our UL. Alright, style. You don't have to type this equals in CSS. Style. List style type. Wait, hold on. Yeah, oh, there we go. Now if we go back to our website, it will show little circles, these circles over there. We can change this to square. There's a lot of different image types that you can change this to. So let's say we have a circle, decimal, Armenian, whatever that is. Oh, that's cool. We have so many different types that you can use. Like let's say we want to do upper Latin. What's that? That's kind of cool. We can also do lower Roman, lower Greek. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, so you can play around with this. This looks nice. Yeah, so if you, I guess, you know. We can also have text type none. Yeah, that's, where it won't display anything, so it's just an unordered list. That could be useful for making nav bars, because, you know, nav bars are master race, but, diamond, decimal, needing 0, what's that? Oh, yeah. I guess you could kind of get that. Let's have this in Greek, because I actually like that Greek. Lower Greek. I think that's what it was called. Wait. Lower Greek. Yeah, here we go. So, oh, why isn't... Alright. So that's how lists work. You can get more of the syntax over here. Basically lists are just way of organizing. You know, you already know what a list is. It's really simple. But we can, there's ordered and unordered lists. So you can use those. We're going to probably be using those unordered lists to make our headers in, what's it called? Bootstrap. I think within the next couple of episodes, we should get into Bootstrap. I don't want to... The reason why I'm kind of going a little bit faster in this is because I want to get into Bootstrap. I'm just trying to get you guys familiar with HTML if you don't know anything about it. So, yeah. We're probably next episode going to be getting into more content and how it would look if we actually wrote like a pretty big website. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this and learned something. Also, we're going to be then going into CSS when we're in our Bootstrap tutorials. And then we're going to probably go into JavaScript and MySQL. I hope to also get into ASP.NET, because I don't see any videos on how, any full in-depth explanations on, or any, like, big tutorials on ASP.NET. Like, kind of a lack of that on YouTube, but, you know, that's okay, because it's not that hip. But yeah, that ASP is just mainly for web applications. It's really good. It's like JavaScript, but ASP is master race. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed. I should be uploading videos regularly, once or twice a day, you know, depending on my schedule. Sometimes I have to do stuff. The tests are coming up, so I'm not going to study because, you know, nobody studies. I actually don't. I never have, but, you know, enough about my life. Thanks for watching, guys.